5 more amazing AI tools you need to know about. Hey everyone, ready to discover more incredible AI tools that can revolutionize your work and creativity? Here are 5 more AI tools you need to know about. First up, Grammarly. Grammarly is your go-to tool for perfect writing. It not only checks for grammar and spelling mistakes, but also offers style and tone suggestions. Write like a pro. Next, Lumen 5. Turn your blog posts into engaging videos in minutes. Lumen 5 uses AI to match your content with relevant visuals and music. Great for content creators. Third, Pictory. This tool automatically converts long-form content into short, shareable videos. It's perfect for creating video summaries of your articles or reports. Fourth on our list is Replika. Replika is an AI chatbot companion that can engage in deep and meaningful conversations. It's like having a virtual friend who's always there for you. Last but not least, Runway ML. This tool offers a suite of AI-powered creative tools for designers, artists, and filmmakers. From video editing to image generation, it's a creative powerhouse. These AI tools can take your productivity and creativity to the next level. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.